If you're someone who wants to make money using AI, save valuable time, or simply make your work easier, you're absolutely in the right place. Welcome back to TouchMindAI, as we mentioned in our short video. We promised to dive deeper into these amazing AI tools, and today that long, detailed video is finally here. If you've ever wished to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently with AI, then you're going to love this. We'll explore two incredible tools, Notion AI and ElevenLabs, how they work, what makes them unique, and how you can use them to supercharge your productivity and creativity. Whether you're a student managing assignments, a YouTuber planning content, or a business owner looking to automate tasks, these tools can literally save you hours of work every single week. And trust me, once you see what these tools can do, you'll never want to go back to doing things the old way again. So stay tuned till the end, because we're going step by step, showing you how to make AI your ultimate assistant. Alright, let's kick things off with Notion AI, one of my personal favorite tools for productivity and creativity. If you've ever used Notion before, you already know it's an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and planning, but when you combine it with AI, it becomes like a digital brain that thinks with you. Notion AI helps you organize your projects efficiently, create to-do lists, brainstorm new ideas, summarize meeting notes, even write full blog posts or scripts. Now let's imagine a real-world scenario. Suppose you're a freelancer or content creator. You've got multiple clients, deadlines, and tasks scattered all over instead of juggling notes manually. You just open Notion, type, summarize client feedback, and within seconds, Notion AI gives you a clean summary, key points, and even next step suggestions. Students can do the same thing for lectures, just paste your class notes. And Notion AI will organize them into a structured study guide that it can even create flashcards or short summaries for quick revision. What's really impressive is how context-aware it is. It doesn't just repeat what you type. It understands tone, intent, and the context of your workspace. So when you ask draft a YouTube video plan for Notion AI, it doesn't give you random text. It gives you a ready-to-use script outline, thumbnail ideas, and even posting strategy suggestions. Let's talk about content writing. You can literally tell it. Write a 500-word blog post about AI tools for productivity, and it'll create a clean, SEO-friendly draft right inside your Notion page, ready for editing and publishing for professionals. Notion AI can automate daily reporting. You can say, summarize this week's progress, and it will generate a full report including key milestones and pending tasks. And the best part? It's built right inside Notion. No need to switch between multiple apps. If you want to make it even smarter, you can combine it with Notion templates like Project Tracker or Content Calendar. Once those are set, you can literally manage your entire workflow with just a few prompts. Pro tip, ask Notion AI to analyze tone or make text more persuasive. This is perfect for marketers or anyone writing sales content. It'll polish your text to sound professional and convincing. Overall, Notion AI feels less like a tool and more like a collaborative teammate, always ready to help you plan, write, or organize your thoughts. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list or endless notes, try Notion AI. It's like having your own productivity partner inside your laptop. Now, let's move on to something equally powerful, ElevenLabs. The ultimate AI voice generator. This tool has completely changed the game when it comes to creating natural, human-like voiceovers. You just type your script, choose a voice, and ElevenLabs brings your words to life instantly. With ElevenLabs, you can generate professional voiceovers for videos, create audiobooks and podcasts, add narration to presentations, and even build character voices for games or animations. What makes ElevenLabs truly special is realism and emotion. Most text-to-speech tools sound robotic, flat tone, zero expression, but ElevenLabs uses deep learning to mimic natural human speech, tone, pitch, breathing, and emotion. For example, if you're creating a YouTube video, you can test multiple voice styles, one for your intro, another for narration, or if you're building an ad, you can pick a high-energy voice that instantly grabs attention. And the results? They sound so real that most people can't even tell it's AI. Let's take a quick use case. Imagine you're a content creator who doesn't like recording your own voice. You can simply write your script, just like this one, upload it to ElevenLabs, and within seconds you'll have a studio quality voiceover ready to use in your video editor. Or maybe you're an author. You can turn your book into an audiobook overnight, no expensive microphones, no voice actors, no studio setup, just pure AI-powered narration. Even marketers love ElevenLabs. Why? Because it lets them localize content, meaning you can translate your English script into Spanish or French and then generate native-like voiceovers for global audiences. Pro tip: try cloning your own voice with permission. ElevenLabs can create a digital copy of your voice that you can use for future videos, keeping your brand consistent and personal. What's amazing is how seamlessly it integrates with other platforms, like Descript, CapCut, or even Premiere Pro, so your workflow becomes super smooth. Script gives voice, gives video, all in minutes. One thing I personally love about ElevenLabs is the emotional control. You can make a line sound inspiring, serious or playful, perfect for storytelling or brand videos. And here's a little bonus tip. If you pair ElevenLabs with Notion AI, you can literally build an end-to-end content creation system. Notion writes your ideas, structures your script, and ElevenLabs gives it a voice. All AI-powered, all effortless. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or small business owner, ElevenLabs is your shortcut to professional audio without the cost or hassle of recording gear. And that's a wrap for today's video on TouchMindAI. We explored two amazing AI tools, Notion AI for smarter work and ElevenLabs for realistic AI voices. Both tools show just how far AI has come from writing content to speaking like a human. If you want a deeper step-by-step guide on either of these tools, let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us decide what to explore next. And trust me, the next video will blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI tools, automation, and digital creativity. Until next time, stay productive, stay creative, and keep exploring the power of AI.
Thanks for watching.